Standard First, Subject English. Hello students, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in English. Let us start. Our topic is In My Classroom. Children, look at this picture very carefully. What can you see in the picture? This is a picture of a girl. The girl name is Mary. M-A-R-Y, Mary. What else can you see? Yes, she is saying hi to you all as she is waving the hand in the air. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of a classroom. Correct. You can all see there are desks, there are benches, blackboard, so many things which you all have seen in your classroom. So this is a picture of a classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. Now we will see the next picture. Children, what is this picture? This is a picture of a uniform. Yes, you can see the picture of girl uniform. As you have seen, the girls are wearing different type of uniform than the boys. So this is the girl uniform. Now let's see. Look at this picture. Can you think and tell me, it is a boy uniform or a girl uniform? Yes, it is a boy uniform because boys are wearing this type of uniform you have seen. Yes or no? The short pants, shirt. Yes or no? So this is boy uniform. Now look at this picture very carefully. You can see there are girls. The girls are there in this picture. One girl is laughing, another girl is enjoying, then next girl is looking carefully something, and the last girl is saying to you, yes or no? So this all we have seen. So this is the picture of girls. Now let's see about next picture. This is picture of, yes, you have guessed it correctly. This is the picture of boys. You all can see there are 4 boys in this picture and all of them are chit-chatting with each other. Chit-chatting means talking, and one boy is reading the book. So this is a picture of boys. Now let's see this picture. Can you guess who is it in this picture? A teacher. Very correct. You all know the teacher teach you in the school. So this is a picture of a teacher. Now have a look on this picture? What can you see? Yes, you can see the desks and chairs. Children, in your also class, you all also have a seat, that is a chair or bench, and where you can keep your things, that is your desk, where you can keep your bag, yes or no, books. So this is a picture of desks and chairs. Now let's move further. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see there are different color books. There are different color books kept on each other. So this is picture of books. Now you all know this picture. This is picture of pencils. This is picture of pencil. You can call it as color pencils also. Yes or no? So pencils. Let us see the new words. First word is uniforms. 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 Second one is pair of shorts. PAIROFORSHORTS. Pair of shorts. Next one, desk. DESKS. Desk. Next one, classroom. CLASSROON. Classroom. So the new words are uniforms, pair of shorts, desk, classroom. Now, question, make smaller words hidden in the following words. Now children, let us do the following. First one, classroom. Now children, you have to find out the smaller words from these words. Now as we know the first word is classroom, we have to find out the smaller words. So the first small word is room, then class, then cool. So from the classroom word we can make room, class, cool. Now second word, brother. Now let's do the THE, the, BOTH, both, ROT, rot. So from the word brother we can make the, both, rot. Now let's see the third one, teacher. HER, her, EACH, each, TEA, tea. So from the word teacher we can make her, each, tea. So children, I hope so you all have understood how to find out and make the smaller words from the following words. Further, we will start our topic in my classroom. I am going to read the lesson. You all will keep the finger where I am reading. In my classroom, my name is Mary. I am in grade 1. I wear white blouse to school. I have a brother. He is in grade 2. He wears a pair of shorts and a shirt to school. In my classroom, there are boys and girls. All the boys and girls wear school uniforms. Now children, the name of the lesson is In My Classroom. Now here we have the girl named Mary. She is studying in grade 1, standard 1. And when she comes to school, she is wearing white blouse and she has a uniform for the school. Same way, her brother is also in the grade 2. That means standard 2. He wears a pair of shorts and shirt. That is her brother uniform. In my classroom, she is telling about her classroom. So, she is telling that in her classroom, there are boys and girls and they all wear school uniform when they comes to school. Children, as you all know, when you are going to school, you have to follow certain rules of the school. So, you all have to wear the school uniform. You cannot go in your usual clothes which you are wearing at home. Because you are going to school, you have to follow certain rules of the school. Okay, now let's see the next. In my classroom, there is a teacher. My teacher's name is Madam Sanya. In my classroom, there is a chair and desk. In my classroom, there are pencils and books. I like my classroom. Now children, Mary is telling that in her classroom, she is having a teacher also and the teacher's name is Madam Sanya. She also has the chair and the desk in the classroom for all the children. As you all know, you are also going to your school and you all have seen all these things in your classroom. And with that, she have the pencils and books. She likes her classroom very much. Okay, children. I hope so you all have understood the lesson. Now let's go further. Time to homework. Question. Answer the following. First one. Name the girl in this lesson. Answer is Mary is the girl in this lesson. Let's see the next. Name the characters in the lesson. Mary, brother, boys, girls, teacher Sanya are there in the lesson. Now next. What do all the children wear to go to school? The answer is all the children wear school uniform to go to school. Now let's see your activity. What is your Draw the things that you have seen in your classroom. Now children, you have to draw the things which you have already seen in your classroom. You can color also. Draw neatly in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.